It wouldn't be one of my projects unless I made a major mess up. Not had enough alcohol yet, which is the actual truth. I should be drunk doing this. I got everything mixed up or in the cup there, and then I got my paddle, and I thought that I had it on number one, but I had it on number two. You know, high speed. First time I ever used this product, I whipped it up way too fast. I incorporated a lot of bubbles. I got that on tape. Worth noting that you have to keep a good grip on it. So I had this brilliant idea. I had it sitting like this and put a can of paint on there to get it to bend back in the right direction. As you can see, it worked, right? But the can of paint fell off. Whole gallon, brand new. I swear to God, luck of the Irish.